here at Mahu Valley. How do you feel and what's your first day experience?
Well, from Banihal is very hot, right?
Yeah.
So when I came here, it feels nice. The vibe is nice, and also the people is also nice. So I love this valley, really. This village also. I mean, like, it's so pure for me. Like, to see the kids playing right this by the river is very pure. I mean, like, it's not fake things.
Yeah.
I love it because I love village life. Like, this is not tourism, fake tourism. No, this is real.
This is real.
Yes, I love it.
Okay, how do you know about the Mahu Valley?
Well, actually from you. So he's my track leader when I went to the Kashmir Great Lakes. He's my track leader and he came from here. So he told me about Mahu Valley, and I really want to explore many districts in Jammu, Kashmir. And because I believe there are always gems in every district. Maybe people don't know. So nobody knows probably about this. Maybe foreigner doesn't know about Mahu Valley.
Yes.
But it is actually hidden gem. For me, this is hidden gem. Beautiful memories from this valley. And I will promote this valley to my friends and ask them to visit this valley, local and international.